Asset monetization. The government wants to increase its revenue by monetizing the unutilized or underutilized assets, and to increase its revenue by using the underutilized public utilities or assets, public assets. Now, the central government has taken a step to monetize as many assets as possible, public assets as more as possible. Now, PMO office to review progress in asset monetization. It is under supervision of PMO. The asset monetization is being monitored and implemented. Center has been able to monetize 26,000 crore so far for the financial year 22-23, whereas the target fixed 1,62,000 crores. So for the 2023, the asset monetization target was 1.62 lakh crores. Until now, means up to the month of August, 26,800 crores was able to be monetized. For the year 21-22, the central government could monetize assets worth 97,000 crore for the entire year. Many transactions are proposed to be taken up. Many new underutilized, unutilized assets has to be brought into the asset monetization to be undertaken during the year 2022-23. Asset monetization drive to speed up because the target is 1.62 lakhs crore amid signs of flagging momentum after reasonable first quarter. Though of first quarter there was a slow movement in first quarter, but drive to asset monetization is getting speed because of the target of 1.62 lakh crores for the year 22-23. The government has set a target of 1.62 lakh crores target for the year 22-23, a 72% rise compared to last year, which was 97,000 crore via asset monetization in the year 21-22. Until now, about 26,800 crores worth assets was raised up to September 15th of 22. A monitoring committee may be able to draw ministries, departments and public sector enterprises out of the reluctance. The monitoring committee is established to motivate, to encourage the ministries, concerned ministries, departments and public sector enterprises to encourage asset monetization. The assets as an offer in 22-23 include highway bundles and infrastructure investment trust bonds, rural development of India, sports stadiums, operational power generation and transmission assets, lease of airports by a public-private partnership, port trust under PPP model, development of silos and warehouses, and monetization of towers and mining assets. All these assets are classified and eligible to be covered under asset monetization by the central government. With the process of asset monetization, the central government wants to grant some value to the assets held by the central government and increase the revenue from the assets which are unutilized or underutilized under the government. Means the government wants to encourage to enhance its revenue by using the unutilized government assets. This is the target of asset monetization. I think for the year 22-23, the target fixed as asset monetization target fixed was 1,62,000 crores. For the year 21-22, it was asset monetized. It was 97,000 crore. This was for the current year. There is a target rise of 72% more than the previous year 21-22. This is for the current year 22-23. The central government wants to bring more and more underutilized assets under the asset monetization scheme and enhance its revenue sources to through asset monetization of government assets and public sector enterprises.